Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will provide to set up Wyze Cam Pan V3 device. Before starting the setup process, download the Wyze app on your smartphone or tablet. The app is available on Play Store or App Store. Unpack your Wyze Cam Pan V3 box, removing all plastic and packing materials. Plug the camera into power using the included USB cable and power adapter. Let's start the setup. First, open the Wyze app on your smartphone or tablet. Now, tap Home, then tap plus sign on the top right. Now, tap on Add Device option. Then, select the camera's option. Here select Wyze Cam Pan V3 and then follow the instructions by choosing Next. Now select the Wi-Fi network. Then single press the setup button. It will say Ready to connect. Now, scan the QR code from the camera. Please wait for a few seconds. Then it will say, Setup completed. Tap Next to name your Wyze Cam device. Type a name for your camera in the text box. Tap Finish. Your setup process is completed. If you face any trouble to set up Wyze Cam Pan V3 or any kind of connectivity problem faced, then you can connect with us. Thanks for watching my video.